For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 13 stitches multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 13 stitches plus 3 extra stitches 16 and plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back. Now 3 times knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 2, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 3 times knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. This is 13 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? And last 4 stitches. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. First row is completed now. Second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 2, 3 times, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row right side. Again we make this row same as row first. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 2, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 3 times knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 4 stitches. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. Fourth row wrong side, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 times, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. This is fifth row right side. Again we make this row same as row first. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 2, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 3 times knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 4 stitches. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed now. Sixth row wrong side, again knit as knit and purl as purl, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Last 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is 7 row right side. Slip edge, starting of this pattern, purl 1. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1. Now twist 6 stitches from left to right, this way to this way. Take 3 stitches on your right needle from front loop and first 3 on your left needle from back loop. Now knit as knit and purl as purl. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, purl 1. Now twist 6 stitches from right to left, this way to this way. Take 3 stitches on your right needle from back loop and first 3 on your left needle from front loop, and knit as knit and purl as purl. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, purl 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 1, twist 6 from left to right and knit as knit and purl as purl. Twist 6 from right to left and knit as knit and purl as purl. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete now. 8 row wrong side. Knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 8 rows, and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.